Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. As can be seen, the flooring is pretty bad in our basement kitchen area. I want to see if I can remove the old tiles and use peel and stick PVC flooring. Removing the old tiles and glue is a very involved, labor intensive process. I started from the cooking range area just as a trial to see if I am capable of taking it forward. Started sticking the tiles now. At the end here, I have left it open now because it needs a very short, probably 2.5 inch strip, which I don't want to cut and waste now. I'll do it later. So this is the first part. I'll see how it goes, whether it sticks. Now this is the area I want to cover till here and till this point. So this will be the area. I've done that much. That is the material I have. This is the worst area, worst affected area. So once this is done, I will think of extending beyond that and beyond this. Since this is a labor intensive work, I prefer doing it section by section. Matter of fact, two panels. Each panel is 6 inches by 3 feet. So I prefer doing two panels at a time. I've completed under the cooking range now. And as you can see, there are 4 panels there. And 2 panels completed. So now I'll be removing 3 from here, 3 tiles. And then doing 2 panels. And then going that way. So this section will be done. So I'm just using a heat gun. And that is how I'm going to pry each tile off. Without heat gun it is difficult. I have also tried a torch. But torch, you get the, you'll have to wear a mask or some sort of a protection, breathing protection. This way the heat is controlled using such a gun. The open tile area that you see here, I have actually cleaned up all the glue from there. That is the reason it looks so clean. Once we remove this tile, you'll see how bad it is inside. And I'll need to remove the glue before putting these new panels. (300°C). So I removed the remaining old tiles in this section. Now I need to, this tile is already cleaned. There is some glue residue, but not much. At least it's in level. So I need to clean these 3+1/4 tile there. I'll be using this easy strip from Home Depot. This is pretty expensive. I think it's what, 946 ml. Cost me over $50, including tax. With that brush, I'll be applying all over. Try to scrape the glue off. The adhesive remover had already been applied here. So now let me try and scrape it off. So as you can see, this comes off. But we may have to do it twice because it is still very sticky. This comes off. I'm also trying with a scraper blade attachment attached to a reciprocating saw, and I want to see how it works. This I got it on Amazon, 4 pieces, different dimensions, at a good price, and it is sharpened at both edges. Both. I hope you can see that. Anyway, let me try. I think it damages the tiles. This is what I see, because I do not know what type of tile this is. I don't think this is ceramic, so it is chipping away the top area here, so it may not be a good idea to use this one. So I'll use a regular manual scraper to finish the job, because this is eating away the top portion. So the level will become lower if I use that. I have now completed this portion, as you can see here, and will be completing the remaining part here, because that's what I have the material for this much. And once I see that everything is progressing well, I'll purchase more and then complete the remaining part. But this is until this point I'm going to complete, until here. And now I'll be transferring all the junk, the material here, onto this side and clear up this area. This won't be captured on camera. I thought this should be enough to show you. It's a lot of labor, but then if you give it to a contractor, it'll cost a lot. So might as well, with some elbow grease, complete the job ourselves. And here, as you can see, I have put some weights, heavy weights, because I realized that because of the very cold temperature, panels are not sticking well at the end especially. I'll leave it like that for a few days and see if it sticks well, especially at the edge. Thank you for watching.